types of ovule. Depending upon the position of micropyle, chalaza and funicle at the time of maturity, it is of generally 6 types. Okay, so there is the orthotropous, anatropous, campylotropous, amphitropous, hemitropous and circinotropous. Okay, so in orthotropous it is also known as atropous and straight ovule. Why? Because look at the diagram. Here the micropyle, chalaza and funicle in a straight line. Okay, in the ovule, when micropyle, chalaza and funicle in straight line, that is known as what? Orthotropous type. Okay, and generally it is the common type of ovule generally found in many of the flowers. Okay, so the next one, that is the anatropous. It is also known as what? Inverted ovule. Why? Because in this type of structure here, it is inverted. It is curved up to 180 degree. Okay, so here the micropyle, chalaza and funicle. This type of structure is found here. Here is the micropyle. This part is chalaza and this part is known as what? Funicle. Okay, so here it is curved up to 180 degree. That is why it's known as what? Anatropous type of ovule and inverted ovule. Clear? Sometime questions were asked regarding in which type of ovule micropyle and funicle present in a parallel situation. Okay, so questions, what is the question? In what type of ovule micropyle and funicle is present in a parallel condition? So look at here micropyle and funicle in a parallel position. Okay, that is anatropous. Okay, and it is also a common type of structure of ovule which is generally found in both dicot and monocot plant. Okay, so next type, there is the campylotropous. Okay, campylotropous. So here you can see this part is the micropyle, this part is the chalaza and this part is the funicle. Okay, funicle. In campylotropous, it is one kind of anatropous, but the body is here is a curved type of structure. Okay, chalaza and funicle, they formed a 90 degree type of structure, 90 degree angle. Okay, but micropyle and chalaza not in a straight line. Okay, in previous two, micropyle in straight ovule and inverted ovule, micropyle and chalaza in a straight line. But in campylotropous, micropyle and chalaza are not in a straight line. Clear? And chalaza funicle forms a 90 degree angle. Clear? So that is known as what? Campylotropous. Okay, it is generally found in Chenopodiaceae family and other stuffs. Then next one, amphitropous, which is the important one of structure. Here it is also looks like inverted type anatropous. Here is the micropyle, here is the chalaza and this part is the funicle. So what is the hack here? In this structure you can see the embryo sac is looks like a horseshoe like of structure. Okay, horseshoe like of structure. So hence this ovule is known as what? Hence this ovule is known as what? Amphitropous type of structure. Clear? Here the embryo sac curved. Okay, so next one, hemitropous. Hemitropous. Okay, it is the 90 degree structure and this is the micropyle, this is the chalaza part and this part is the funicle part. So it forms like this type of structure. Clear? So it becomes what? 90 degree angle. Okay, so this is the hemitropous. Okay, here it forms a 90 degree turn like structure. Okay, it is generally found in Ranunculaceae family. Okay, acha. In campylotropous it is also 90 degree, but in hemitropous here you can find micropyle and chalaza in a straight line, in a single line, but in Campylotropous, micropyle and chalaza is not in a straight line. They are in curved structure. Clear? In the last one, that is the Circinotropous. In Circinotropous, the length of funicle is very long. Okay, the length of funicle is very long. Okay, so due to this, the funicle encircle the whole body structure. Okay, the funicle encircle the whole body structure like jalebi. Okay, jalebi like. So micropyle and chalaza present inside the funicle. Okay, this type of structure is known as what? Circinotropous structure. And the Circinotropous ovules are generally found in Cactaceae family like Opuntia, which are deserted plant. Okay, desert plant, sunken stomata were found. Okay, so in that plants, Circinotropous type of ovules are present. Okay.